it looks like that. Good morning. Let's make some breakfast. Cheers. Food's ready. This is a smoked salmon, egg, avocado, and tomato wrap with mustard. Gonna go grab some coffee. Hi, can I get one oat flat white and one skinny latte, please? Thank you. We're at Wolfox now at Loaft, and it's in Covent Garden, and this place is just so aesthetic. I love it.
Good morning. I've been craving these rice paper dumplings because I keep seeing them on social media, so let's make some today. The filling is now ready and I have these small rice paper sheets, so let's start making some dumplings. I have a lot of filling here, but I'm going to use some of it to just make some meatballs as well, so none of it goes to waste, and I'll show you how I prep it right after I make the meatballs. Just going to twist the top. Like that, maybe. Take the piece under first, close it, and then take the side pieces. And just take that, I guess. It doesn't seem to be working that well, but I guess it'll have to do. This is probably my best one, actually. Okay, let's make one more. Let's steam these dumplings. Whilst the dumplings are cooking, I just prepped this and I'm gonna put it in the freezer, and once it's frozen, I'll transfer them into bags. I was really hoping it wouldn't stick, but I put a bit too much in, so they don't look the best, but hopefully they still taste really good. Oh goodness. That is not looking very good. It looks like the rice paper is just so sticky. Okay, this is disastrous. That pretty much failed, so I'm probably just going to be eating meatballs for lunch. So maybe if I eat it like that, it'll be okay. I have one that could pass, and it looks like that. I quite like the stickiness of the rice paper outside. Safe to say today's was a failure, but I'll keep trying. At least I have some delicious meatballs, so it's not too much of a failure. So the meatballs have now frozen and I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc bag just for easier storage. Now that it's packed like this, it just doesn't take up as much space in the freezer, and it's easy to just grab a few and add it to any dishes. Just gonna eat like a lettuce burger.
There before for his birthday.
Yeah. Chilled, rum and swim. 2 barbecues, yeah.
I was asking, I was like, oh, it's outside.
Yeah, very nice.
This one has a lot more like flavor, I think, than the pancake. Can I get a skinny latte, please?
I just finished lunch at Okan, and I also went to this really cute cafe called Cafe Pedlar, and they had a really nice outdoor seating area and I really liked it. It was just nice to sit there because today's a really good day. But Okan, although the vibes felt like you were in Japan, the food, although it was decent, but it kind of just fell short in terms of what I was expecting okonomiyaki to be. I think nothing can really compare it to what we had in Japan. But their yakisoba was actually okay and tasted pretty good. But the okonomiyaki wasn't like crispy enough. But I went for lunch with a friend and he got me a birthday present. I feel like it's a few weeks after my birthday, but I'm still receiving presents. And look at all these teas. I'm such a big tea person, so this is actually perfect. And I can't wait to try them all.